And so we just thank them also for their service and their sacrifice.
100%. No, so happy for this next chapter. Blessings to Michael and Irissa as they go to Illinois in a new assignment. He was a drill instructor here at Lackland Air Force Base. So proud of Irissa. I tell you, a professional and such a beautiful spirit in everything that she did every single day. We're going to miss her. All right, outside tonight, we've got a nice breeze coming in from the Gulf, and that is just the beginning of what's going to be a new wet weather pattern heading into next week. It won't necessarily be this weekend. No big changes tomorrow if you've got plans. 82 feels like 87 with that dew point over 70. And as long as these winds stay southeast, which they are tonight, we continue to pile in all that western Gulf moisture. 93 today for the third day in a row, by the way. And this is the highest number we've hit this season. We've hit it now 3 days in a row. 97, Pearsall, Cotulla, Carrizo Springs, Eagle Pass. Del Rio hit 98 this afternoon. 92 at Seguin, Gonzales 96. And again, this is not unusual. We should be hitting at least 92, but it's been feeling like record heat. We had a heat index in Seguin of 109 today. I mean, it's just incredible heat. Please make sure you're hydrating over the weekend when you're spending more time outside Saturday and Sunday. So some pretty good thunderstorms developed, especially between Elmendorf and Somerset this afternoon. Didn't even get to downtown before raining itself out. It's been a pretty dry late afternoon and evening, and will stay that way hour by hour. It's going to be cloudy by morning. You can see that the clouds usher back in. It's partly cloudy now, and temperatures will stay mild, mid to upper 70s to get Saturday started. And that's when the low clouds are in that we could see a couple of little sprinkles early, then maybe a few isolated downpours in the afternoon heating. Same on Sunday. We're not expecting a big change just yet, although Sunday to the southeast, you know, if you're going to Victoria, Goliad, anyone southeast of San Antonio could get heavier rain as early as Sunday afternoon, Sunday night. We've got a lot of tropical moisture coming in off of what's left over of Tropical Storm Christina. This was an eastern Pacific storm, and now the remnants have crossed over Mexico into the Bay of Campeche. Now, this yellow represents the likelihood, I'll call it a cone, even though it's not a tropical storm, that this becomes a named storm. And if it would be Arthur, because then it would technically be in the Atlantic basin. Remember, the Bay, the Gulf, the Caribbean, all part of the Atlantic basin, so it would get renamed to Arthur, be the first named system of the season. Well, either way, even if it doesn't become Arthur, which is a 20% chance, there's going to be a ton of tropical moisture pouring in from the western Gulf. And then when we have a frontal boundary drop in from North Texas on Monday, Tuesday, that becomes a surface focal point of showers and thunderstorms. And so these are tropical downpours that could put down a lot of rain, and it really looks like it'll be confined to the I-10 corridor Monday and especially Monday night. So I'm going to show you rain totals between now and next week, but these will primarily be between Sunday and Wednesday. And we're looking at about 2 inches San Antonio, east up over 5 inches for Houston. So some pretty big rain days are in the horizon or on the horizon for Monday, Tuesday, and that's why we've got a weather impact alert for both days. The weekend, no big change from what we've seen lately, 92 to 93, but the feels like 102 to 103, and the isolated rain chance 20 to 30%. But we're going to double that Monday night, Tuesday 50-50. Then we start drying out midweek. Notice that highs will be 93 to even 95 for Father's Day, the 21st, celebrating dads and the beginning of summer, the official astronomical first day of summer. Remember, meteorological summer began June 1. Now we've got Flag Day on the 14th. We've got Juneteenth on Friday. Both are partly cloudy. All right.